Hello, good morning, dear students. The topic name is Sound System Circuit, subject RTV, semester 8, subject code ETC2. My name is Manish Kumar Gupta. I am faculty in EC Department, Arya College of Engineering and IT, Kukas, Jaipur. This topic is of unit third, sound system circuits. Basically, simple house wide stereo system circuit using TL082. This is simple house wide stereo system circuit using TL082 added dimension to get sound of music wider stereo system suitable for you are tired of the original sound. I am not making you uncomfortable with electronic projects difficult and expensive. This circuit enhances the joy of music label. The principle is easy to understand, and with a simple inexpensive equipment, the love of the instrument, do not miss this project. Before building, I understand the principle well. We will feel that sound has the with more depth with stereo mix. Signal was split left and right, both together. For example, usually the guitar sound is right side and there is a electronic sound is left side. However, this circuit makes the guitar sound mixed into the right side slightly, then take the audience electron came into existence with left side. We therefore feel that sound wide up as soon. Basically, sound system circuits in stereo signal, stereo mix in previous style, but we are not making difficult project in electronics and expensive projects, but sound is very clear and music will audible. In this way, understand the principle well. The circuit on the left and right stereo signal into the circuit will throw C1 C2 to the pin 3 and pin 5 of IC1 out of the pin 1 pin to 7 pin, and some signal is fed back to the pin 2. Pin 6 by BR1, R5 and R6 each side. In the middle leg of BR1 oblique 1 50K and BR1 oblique 2 50K near 1 leg. So left signal is fed back into the 2 leg. The output signal is also left side intact. But when leg move closer to the middle of 3 leg is the right side signal from the 7 pin of IC1 oblique 2 TL082 through BR1 oblique 2 RC R7 BR1 oblique 1 and R5 to pin 2. Mix output at pin 1 is the signal's right side mix. Likewise, pin 1 is the signal left side of the right side leg side mix the signal into IC1 oblique 2 as well. This is the sound system circuit diagram. Basically, in sound system diagram, the LED is used, the capacitor is used, the IC is used, resistance is used, operational amplifier IC is used, input signal right, input signal left. So totally sound system circuit, the work of the sound system circuit is make a sound clear. if your voice is clear, your sound is clear, then you can easily listen the musics, listen the videos. So these circuits filterize the sounds, clarity of the sounds, maximize the quality of the sounds. So the circuits, resistance, capacitors, ICs are different electronic components used in the circuits. We can increase the quality of these sounds and enhance the quality of these sounds. So applications of the work, I understand that you are creating a project to do this, but where would I go to of the amplifier? Very simple, connected to the first input amplifier just now has been completed. So what is this? Another, in summary, the sound system circuit is simple stereo house video stereo system. Then generally, have you seen the speaker? Have you seen the woofer? Have you seen the audio video systems? That is the example of sound system circuits. Basically, if you want to purchase any sound system circuit, then what you seen? First of all, the customer seen the quality of the sounds, quality of the sounds. So yeah, the industry is the main motive of the industry ki the project is not very difficult and not expensive. Love of the instrument, do not miss this projects. Before building, understand the principle well. Okay, so that is the different parameters. You have to feel sound has the width, more depth with a stereo mixer. Okay, split left and right. An example, guitar sound is right side guitar, very good sound guitar. And audio electrons, audio and voice signal. The frequency of audio range is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Visuals, high frequencies damage the ears, so we have to concentrate on the frequency range of audio frequency range. Okay, okay students, generally question asked in RTO examination, Rajasthan Technical University examinations generally, and other university examinations, that the you have to make a circuit diagram, you have to make a theory with the help of circuit diagram, you have to write the application of the circuit diagram, then you can concept the clear of the sound well. This is the pin win IC automatically. IC pin hai for different ICs have different work of the different pins. So this is the main important circuit diagram which play important role to make a sound a very clear in a perfect manners. And okay, so you have to make a project with the help of this sound system circuit diagram, and you make a clarity of the voice. Okay, thank you.